It is another beautiful Saturday morning, and in today's video we will be checking out this mobile setup for trading boom and crash and other synthetic indices. Okay, it is very easy to use and you're going to love every bit about it. I'm going to give you all the setup right away and explain to you how to put them into use. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some good amount of money right from here trading all these assets. All you just need to do is just to follow my channel on YouTube, or probably you follow me on TikTok, so that you will be updated whenever I upload a unique training video like this, so that you too can also benefit from it. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. If you have any question, drop your questions within the comment section, or you contact me directly, so that we can discuss we can trash out whatever questions that is bothering you. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. The first thing we need to be checking out is going to be the setup, because you need to know how to do this setup. Okay, so we go to the top of the page first to check out the setup page. Okay, as you can see, I'm using two moving averages, and of course I'm also using RSI and alligator. Those are the four major tools I'm having on the page. Okay, so this is the first setup. Screenshot it and get it done on your page. This is the second one. Screenshot it and get it done. The last two is going to, they are going to be under the window indicator. Okay, so I'm going to show you them one after the other. So I am showing them just the way you should do it. Okay, so, and the last one is this. Okay, now let's go straight to the main chart. This is the main chart, and I'm going to show you what you need to put in place in order to trade with this setup. Okay, what you have on the main chart will walk along the line with what you'll be having in the window indicator. Okay, the window indicator is meant to confirm what you are supposed to do on the main chart. Okay, so now let's see how it works. Like I've always been telling you, the trend of the market matters a lot. Okay, it matters a lot. You need to know if you are in the right trend, and the trend will let you know the kind of order you should place, if it is going to be a buy or a sell, or probably to some people a long or a short. Okay, it all depends on you. Now let's see. Here is a support zone. The support zone is very, very important. There are two major things that we should be expecting from either the support zone or the resistance zone. The first thing, which I've always been telling you, is the CIT. Okay, the CIT means change in trend. Okay, then the second thing is the BO. Okay, breakout region. Okay, so these are the two major things that can happen. These are the two major things that can happen, and the first one that should come to your mind first is the CIT. Okay, so if the CIT did not work out, then the BO will work out. Okay, so the CIT is the first thing, and that is what's worked out here. It pulled back, it went back up, and this is our entry point signal. Let me clear what I have here. Right here should be our entry point signal. Why? Because there is a crossing, upward crossing between the two moving averages. But should we just go into it like that? No, let's confirm it in the window indicator. So you go straight to the window indicator to see if you are having the same thing. Okay, there is an upward crossing also around here, but is it at the right place? Yes, it is at the right place. It is below 30. You can see once it happens below 30, it means that the market has oversold already, so it is now time for it to buy. Okay, so this is that is if there is no breakout below this. Okay, so Once we have been able to confirm it using the window indicator, so this should be our entry point for a buy, and of course here should be the support zone, should be our stop loss region. Like I've always been telling you, you don't have the full control of the market, despite the fact that we've gotten an entry signal around here and it has been confirmed in the window indicator. We still need to set our stop loss because the market can still behave like the market. Okay, so we got a buy signal from there and it went up. Okay, you can see it went up, okay, but once it gets to 70, you should be getting ready to close your trade. Okay, even if you're not going to close your trade, lock up 80% of your profits using your stop loss. Okay, lock up 80% of your profits using your stop loss. It is as easy as that. You all can try this out. Go back to your chart, have this setup done on your mobile platform and practice with it. You can do it on your demo account. It's not necessary you try it out with your real account. Throughout today, try it on your demo account and see if this work out for you or not. Okay, like I've always been telling you, your demo account should be your best friend. Okay, you practice more with the demo account until you are able to perfect your trading skill, so that you can now go to your real account. Okay, so that will give you more confidence whenever you are seeing some movement that you are not comfortable with on the real account. So that is how to go about it. Like I've always been telling you, practice more so that you can perfect your skill. It is as easy as that. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.